What does complete streets look like in China? Well, it might start with a massive pedestrian bridge over a huge 9-lane boulevard, which also passes beneath a major walking area. So here we have 3 lanes of traffic, very busy traffic, coming into a 4-lane road, so you have 5 lanes merging. 3 of these are controlled by ramp metering. You can see the left lane has a green light, the middle lane, then the right lane has a green light, and the buses go. Then the middle lane goes, then the left lane, number 3 lane goes, and so on. This cycles through. This way the cars can gently merge together, just like a freeway ramp system would. But this causes a massive backup on the road that is feeding into this area. These middle lanes are lanes that have been submerged and are tunnel lanes. Let's turn around and take a look at where they come from. They're actually traveling underneath. They've been submerged and they're traveling underneath this massive pedestrian walking area, shopping area. And so this is China's method of complete streets. Just bury the street and create a beautiful walking space above it that interfaces with their surrounding street system.